Hi friend, today I will show you how to transfer Discord server ownership. As you can see, the Discord server owner has this crown icon. To transfer ownership, click on the server name at the top left and go to server settings. Scroll to the bottom until you find the members tab under user management. Click on the members tab, find the user that you want to transfer ownership to, then click on the three dots on the right. Click on transfer ownership. This will then ask you to confirm. Click on transfer ownership again. To transfer ownership, you will also need to verify your identity via email. Enter the code that you have received through your email and click transfer ownership. As you can see here, the crown is now on Destructo, who is now the server owner. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.